we're now bringing you news from Jammu and Kashmir, where after 2 days of meetings chaired by Union Home Minister Amit Shah, the DG of CRPF is on a visit to Jammu and Kashmir, and he has reached Jammu. DG CRPF GP Singh on 2 days visit to Jammu region to visit 5 terror-hit districts there. Now, CRPF chief will also be visiting Rajouri and Poonch today. He will be visiting Udhampur, Kathua and Jammu tomorrow. Let's go across to Gursimran, my colleague, who's now joining us live. Gursimran, a very good morning to you. First of all, take us through some of the talking points in the meeting that was chaired with Amit Shah by Union Home Minister Amit Shah there to review the Jammu and Kashmir security situation. And then is this the visit of the CRPF DG and aftermath of that meeting?
See, it's very key meeting of the DG CRPF, who has recently taken over this force that is playing a crucial role in the counter-terror operations in the Jammu region. And also the presence of the CRPF has been strengthened over the years, especially after the terror incidents have come on rise. On the 2 days visit, 2 days meeting that was chaired by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah on the security scenario in Jammu and Kashmir, he has given a clear-cut directions of zero infiltration policy and zero tolerism to the terrorism policy that the Amit Shah has given a go-ahead. Right now, we are outside the headquarters of the CRPF's 24 battalion. It's a 24 battalion and 84 battalion where the DG CRPF has arrived a couple of minutes ago. He has landed today morning at around 9:10, we are told, in the Jammu, and right now he's meeting the officers of the CRPF inside the headquarters of the 24th battalion. It's important to mention that this is a first visit of the DG CRPF and also a key visit because he will be visiting the 5 terror-infested districts of the Jammu and Kashmir. Today morning at around 11, he will be reaching in the Rajouri and the Poonch districts, that is the Pir Panchal, where we have seen Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists carrying out multiple terror attacks in the last couple of years. And also here the presence of the CRPF has been strengthened to a large extent. And now he will be visiting there. He will be meeting the officials from the Jammu and Kashmir Police, from the Indian Army, and also taking the stock of the on-ground situation. Tomorrow the DG CRPF will be going to Udhampur, Kathua and the Jammu district. These all 3 districts have also witnessed the terror attacks. Though the terror attacks in the Udhampur and the Kathua have been in the upper reaches, in the Jammus, we have seen in the Akhnur the terror attack was attempted by the terrorists that were trying to infiltrate, but that was foiled by the security forces, and 3 Jaish terrorists were neutralized by the security forces in the month of October last year. Now the DG CRPF will be visiting, and this is a key visit because this has come a day after Amit Shah's directions of a zero infiltration and zero tolerism to the terrorism policy, which clearly shows that the forces are going a full throttle on the ground to eliminate the Pakistani terrorists that have entered the Indian territory and that are now operating in the hinterland. And in a short while from now, the DG CRPF will be leaving from here towards the airport, wherein he will be heading to the Rajouri and the Poonch districts for the first day of his visit.